What's up, guys? My name is Melissa Rose, and today I'm going to talk really quickly about one of my favorite It's a 10 products. It comes with a really easy to use application that you're going to apply directly in the shower on your scalp. You're going to put it upside down and you're going to draw directly on your scalp and then massage it in until you start to see bubbles form. This is exactly what you want, and this is the product really penetrating the hair shaft and getting you the results that you need. It adds volume and shine to the hair without weighing it down like other products. Sometimes they just feel sticky and gritty, but this one actually penetrates the hair cuticle, so it's not only improving the appearance, but also the integrity and treating the hair from the inside out.